Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to link Apple account to Binance. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Binance app on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap at the Binance icon. You tap on it, then you tap on this, your username. Then once you tap on it, then you tap on security. But then you scroll down a little, then you tap on account connections. Alright, good. So from here you can connect, you can simply sign in with Apple, then you tap on connect this. Actually it was disconnect, so actually I'm going to connect it right now. So once you tap on it, Apple will send you a confirmation code, which is usually in 6-digit code. Then when you want to receive this code, you have to go to the mail that was connected to your Binance, or the mail that you use to create an account in Binance. And this mail must have been verified by Binance before your account is verified. So this code will automatically be sent to this. This code will be automatically sent to this email. So you go there and copy the mail, then you paste it. Once it's done, then submit. Then your Apple account will be automatically sync or link to your Binance account. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.